Here is how to create a Facebook page in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Find a brand name that suits you or your business. Step 2. Find a brand logo or create one. You can use Canva to create one brand logo for yourself and it is for free. Or step 3. Choose your categories. Is it in beauty niche, content creators, digital marketer, advertising and branding? Know your categories. Step 4. Set up your bio. Your bio is your number one show. Like when someone gets into your page, the first thing they want to see is your bio, what you have to offer, what you got for them. And so set up your bio in a right and beautiful, simple steps. So let's get into it.
So the first thing you want to do is go to your menu bar, which is here. Click on this right here. So below here you will see create new profile or a page. Now click on it. Skip. I want to create a public page, then click on public page. Next, your page name. So let's say Adekunle Adeola fans page. Next, what category best describe Adekunle Adeola fans page? I want to choose social media agency. You can choose as many things as you do. Create your bio. If you have a website, put your website, email address, phone number, location, city, postcode, and hours you'll be available. Go to next, then set up your profile. What you want to do is your profile image. So let's go and find a profile image for Adekunle Adeola fans page. Click on that. Just for tutorial sake, when you want to do your own, make sure you use what matches your brand. Glacier Indifferent too. These two. So Glacier Indifferent too. Change all to Glacier Indifferent. So everything is set. All we need to do now is save this and upload it on our page. So if you want to save, use the arrow up here. Here is what you'll be saved with. So click on save and click on download. Now we have it. Once it's downloaded, we will have it in our gallery so that we can upload it to our Facebook page. I will come to Facebook, open our Facebook page where we left it, then click on this photo image. Here we have our cover photo. Can you see it fits in? Whenever you want to do this thing, make sure it represents your brand. So click on save. This is our step 1 setup, is uploading. So we set up our Facebook cover photos and profile photos. The next thing you want to do is about section. Go to your about section, set up everything here, edit your public details, set up everything, your address, your phone number, your emails, your hours, your price, your services, every single thing here. Add a link to your bio. You can link Instagram and your other social media handle in your link section. If you want me to create a videos on how to link all your social media handle to your Facebook page, kindly let me know in the comment section.